Hey viewers, something I'm asked a lot is how to replace the shift cables in various kinds of shifters. So when I'm working on a bike with some shifters that I haven't done a video on, I'll usually take that opportunity to make that video. So today I'm going to be replacing the shift cables in some SRAM X3 shifters here, and it's actually very straightforward. I'm going to show you the process. Now the process is going to be the same on both the left and right shifters. Go ahead and press the forward smaller lever repeatedly until it goes down to the smallest chainring or cog. Just like that. So now I'm going to locate the cable for that shifter and go ahead and cut it. So now that I've cut that cable, I can go ahead and pull this cable housing back away from the shifter there, exposing the cable. And now all I want to do is push the cable into the shifter, and I might have to turn a little bit. It's going to come out on the other side. I'll show you. Now the cable is going to come out of this little hole right above the front little shift lever here, and it might get caught up a little bit, so you might have to kind of rotate the cable around a little bit to work the little head of the cable out. So then you just push the cable out and then grab it and pull it all the way out through that hole there. Now something I want to point out is that on some other models of SRAM shifters like the X4, this little hole may be covered up with a little plastic plug. So you may need like a screwdriver, usually like a Phillips tip screwdriver, to unscrew that little plug to access this hole. So now I'm ready to install the cable. I'm just going to go ahead and put it into this hole where the other cable came out and try to guide it in until it comes out through the barrel adjuster on the other side. Here, I'll show you. So now the cable coming out through the barrel adjuster here. When it comes out, just go ahead and pull it all the way through until the head of the cable is fully seated inside the shifter. So now you're ready to run the cable into the housing. Just slide it in like that and then pull it through and get the cable housing seated into the barrel adjuster just like that. Then you just run the cable back to the derailleur like I've shown in a bunch of other different videos and hook it up. So that is how to install a shift cable into a SRAM X3 shifter. Hopefully you found that useful or interesting. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button. Be sure to click the bell so you get notified when new videos come out. I'm over on Facebook, RJ the Bike Guy. Go over there, like that page. I post a lot of stuff over there. It's a lot of fun. Anyway, thank you very much for watching.